Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Unique Bundle. In this video, I am going to show you useful tips in Microsoft Word. Let's jump to, number 1, type this formula, and press, enter, it will generate 5 paragraphs with 7 sentences each. Next one, number 2, you can hide some text, from your page. I am going to select first line here, right-click, go to font, or press Ctrl+D. Tick on, hidden, your selected line will be hidden. If you want to bring it back, you have to, select the whole first paragraphs, right-click, select font, then, untick hidden. Then click OK, here it is, it came back again. Moving on to, number 3, is Spike Features. It lets you cut multiple sections of text separately, and paste them all together. I am going to select, and cut first line of each paragraphs, then paste them all together down the page. You need to use Ctrl+F3, to cut selected items each time, and use Ctrl+Shift+F3, to paste them all together. Exactly like this. Next coming on, number 4, is Vertical Text Selection. You can do this by holding, Alt key on keyboard, right-click on mouse and drag around as you need, exactly like that. Next up, number 5, is kind of 2-in-1, the feature called, Shrink One Page. This feature will adjust the font size, and margins, of the content, of the documents. So, it fits into fewer pages. Here in search bar, search for, Shrink One Page, and click on it. It will shrink the document into one page. Moving on, the next one is important one, number 6, is Custom Tab. Now this feature by default will not actually show up, in the top. You can create your own tab. Right-click, on ribbon, at the top, and then, select Customize the ribbon. From here, you can create, new tab with your own selection. You can rename, your new tab, something like that. For me, I am going to create, new tab, naming it with my new tab, and I am selecting, Shrink One Page, in my new tab. Here you can see, my new tab here. If you want to delete it, follow the same procedure, select your new tab, and click on Remove, simply like that. Next up, number 7, is the Documents Inspector. You can get this going on, File, Info, check for issues, and select Inspect Document. Just click on, No, you can select, specific elements, ticking on, among those items. Then click on Inspect. Any kind of error like this, you can remove simply clicking on, Remove All. You can do Reinspect, if you need to make sure, everything is alright. Next, number 8, we have Advanced Autocorrect Options. You can find it, going to, File, go to Option, go to Proofing, then, select Autocorrect Options. Click OK. This will automatically, auto-correct your document. Let's move on to, number 9, interesting one, you can transform your document into web page. You can do this, going on, File, go to Transform. Here on right-hand side of the document, you will find some useful templates, to convert your page into web page. Select any of those template you like, click on Transform. Again, click on Transform, it will take bit of time to convert into, web page. Here you go, it has converted into web page. You can test it, opening in Google Chrome. Copy its link, open Google Chrome, paste the link in search bar, and press, Enter. Here it is, your web page is ready to view anywhere. Coming on, number 10, is you can save your document as single file web page. You can do this, let's close this one for now. Go to File, go to Export, select Change File Type, select Single File Web Page. Then click on, Save As. You can save it on, desktop giving it a file name, as you like. Your single file web page has been saved in desktop. To go back to, Word document, go to View, click on, Read Mode, then press ESC on your keyboard. Next one, number 11, is you can view your page in, Focus Mode. Go to View, click on, Focus. You can use this tool if you need to, focus on your documents completely without any tabs surrounding. If you need to go back, simply press ESC on your keyboard. Coming on, number 12, is Immersive Reader. You can use this tool for many different purposes. You can listen your text as audio, clicking on Read Loud.
Paste in the embed code for the video you want to add. You can also type.
You also can view your document as wide, moderate, narrow and very narrow. You also can give different color to the page. You also can choose more color. Simply like that. You can play around with it to find the best color you're looking for. If you need to focus on limited lines, then choose Line Focus. Choose number of lines you need to focus on. Simply like that. If you need to move lines, just click in the arrow, up or down as you need. Next, the second last, is you can change page color. You can do this going, Design, click on Page Color. You can choose any page color you like. You also can choose any type of font you like. You can choose different types of fill effects of page color. You can choose any of those you like. For now I am going to choose from center. Here it is, and gives different vibe to the document. You also can give a page borders as you like. Simply go to Page Borders, choose any the setting. For me I am going to choose 3D, choose any color you like, choose size of border. If you need any types of art, you can choose from here. From now I am just leaving it as none. I am going to choose whole document to get border. Now, we have got beautiful border. You can choose any text color if you like. You also can give watermark, if you need to protect your document from copyright. You can choose any of those available. Or you can choose custom watermarks as well if you like. Moreover, you can choose any image as watermarks if you like to. If you need to remove watermarks, simply go to Watermarks, and click on Remove Watermarks. Coming to the end, number 14, is you can insert screenshot into your Word document. You can get this, going on, Insert, click on, Screenshot, then Screen Clipping. From here, you can screenshot by pressing Print Screen in your keyboard, and paste with Ctrl-V in the document. I truly hope you liked the video, and learned something useful tips for your work. Please consider, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, Unique Bundle, for upcoming new videos with tips and tricks. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial video in my channel, Unique Bundle.